Well, it's been a while, but I'm going to do a video on Dotty. That noise is my little air compressor. Basically, it's time to move the car. I haven't picked a great day because it's pissing it down, but yeah, going to get some air in the tyres, move that Corsair back out of the way, and then try and drag this forward and put it on the trailer. Just removed the tarpaulin, and it's a bit second-hand now, that tarpaulin, but it seems to have done its job on most of the car. It's dried out a bit inside. It's just at the back where I've got these holes so that it's filled the boot a little bit. But yeah, all in all, doesn't look like it's deteriorated too much. It took me a while to actually work out how to move this car. The handbrake was off, but it's got one of those column shifts and I couldn't find neutral. There's no sort of graphic on the dash to tell you where it is. But yeah, that's rolled back enough. I should be able to put a tow rope on the front to my tow bar, then drag this forward and left, and then I should have enough room to pull it up on my trailer. Well, that tyre's proper goosed. It's very sort of split. So the tyre pump was not able to get a good start on it. It wasn't sealing at all on the bead. So I've jacked the car up, and now with it jacked up, it's actually taking pressure. So we're getting somewhere now. Rather more worryingly, that wheel is really seized and doesn't want to turn. So I might have to jack the whole car up and free off these wheels before I try and drag it. Right, got air in at least one of the tyres. Tow rope on, gonna drag it forward, hopefully miss the forklift, and get it in a position where I can put it on the trailer. Doing this all by yourself is not easy, and it's less fun when it's raining. But with car, trailer, car, and my weedy little winch that I bought off eBay for about 30 quid. So I'm gonna put my gloves on, start winching. This might take a while. It's another out of breath ta-da moment. It's on, and the good thing, I forgot about this, it doesn't have a lower chin spoiler, so it can come right the way far forward, which means strapping it down's a bit easier. What a ball ache. Right, that's on, ready to go. I just need to now push that back up in there as far as I can get. Then I will be off back to the office car park to unload that. Guess where we are? Yep, office car park. I have got permission from my very kind regional manager, very patient regional manager, that I can have this over here just for a week or two to get it running. So that's going to be my primary focus. I'm not going to do any of the welding, which I know it needs. I'm just going to empty all of this crap out, concentrate on getting that engine running, because it's still a complete unknown. That running suddenly adds value and makes it a kind of saleable item, so I can get it shifted. I was going to chop out that floor and weld that all back together, but I don't think realistically with that diesel and the other, because I think I'm up to 7 Rovers now, I just got to get rid of some. So yeah, I'm going to have some fun with it first, get it running, maybe take it for a quick spin around the car park, but yeah, shift it back to mine, mothball it, or sell it, don't know. But yeah, first thing, get it unloaded, shoved over there. I did want to put it in that gap, but by myself I don't think I'm going to be able to manage that, so I'm just going to put it there, which will cover up the big rusty stain from the blue one. I love this thing, it just looks cool. It's genuine patina and it's a genuine roof rack, so unlike all those VW sort of scene people, this is like genuine, which is kind of cool. It's bizarre the way these SD1s do or do not rust, because supposedly this being an early car it should be completely rotten, but all of this is surfaced. There is absolutely no rot in that windscreen surround at all, and when you compare that with that blue one, the amount of work I had to do on that scuttle, it's crazy. And it's the same story under here. Those turrets are basically immaculate, and it doesn't look like they've ever had any welding. The battery trays at the front are fine, so yeah, it's really odd. You just cannot predict it with these SD1s. And I can't remember whether I introduced this car properly. I think I did in a couple of videos early on, but its backstory, it's just been sat on a private driveway in Balham in London, probably for, well, I think I did a Google Street View search, and if you put in the postcode you can see it on Google, gradually rotting away, and its little car cover goes from being quite a nice shiny car cover to being absolutely shredded, to being a couple of tarpaulins, to being nothing. So, and that's when I got it. So hopefully it's an upward road to recovery, but that's going to be the end of today's video. I'm going to pack up, got other stuff to do. Later during this week probably I'll come back and empty all of the spares out of it. That'll give me a bit more space to work, and I'll generally tidy it up a bit and then see if I can get a good battery on it and go through everything I need to do in order to get it started, like getting oil pressure, getting good fuel, all the rest of it. So yeah, more fun awaits, and I'm gonna leave it there for the moment. So till next time, bye.